Hello guys, today in this tutorial we are making a problem over a simply supported beam in ANSYS. So this is a simply supported beam. You will see here uh, from the left hand side, apart from 1 meter, 2 kilonewton of point load is acting, and at the right hand side, apart from 1 meter, 4 kilonewton load acting, point load that is. So we need to find here deflection, and the cross section of area is given here. Young's modulus is given here. Poisson's ratio. So open workbench. So open here a static structure. Now open engineering data. So in isotropic elasticity, select change here unit Pascal to megapascal. As you see here, Young's modulus is 210 megapascal. So and Poisson's ratio is 0.27. Now close it. Open a space clamp. So our space clamp is opened here. So select a line. Now draw a line of 1 meter, that is 1000 mm. Uh, 1.5 and again 1 meter. So here enter, again 1000. Now go for prepare. Select here rectangle. Now right click on it and go for edit. So here cross sectional area is given here. So this B indicates this width, H height. (100 mm) enter. (100 mm). So this is 100 by 100. Close it. Go for a structure and select on this curve. You will see here three lines. So this is of 1000 mm, 1500 and again 1000 mm. So select these all. So press Ctrl and select one by one and select on this rectangular. It means that whole length is have the same cross sectional area of this rectangle. Now select on design and share topology. Select on share. Now open again workbench. Our geometry is here taken. Now go for model. Double click on it. So here select on Z. Now right click on a mesh and select on generate mesh. Now give here element size. So I'm giving here 10 mm and right click on mesh, generate mesh. Now right click on a static structural, insert, and select on remote displacement. And select on this vertex. Now again right click on it and insert. Now select on force. You will see here apart 1 meter, 2 kilonewton load is acting here. Or otherwise select on this box and select. So here the point load is acting. This is a 1 meter length between, and select here component, and we need to apply a load. So here 2 kilonewton of load is acting. So press minus, that will indicate downward, and 2000 Newton. So you will see here load is applied. After that again select on a static structural, insert, force. Now what you need to do is apply it and define by a component and 4000 Newton. So you will see here so A to C this is a 1 meter, and B to D is 1 meter, and this is CD is 1.5 meter. Now right click on it and go for solve it. So here we get an error. So we need to go for again constant setting, and we need to set there X direction is also in 0. So you may understand here what happened. So here message we got that there was no such rigid constant found. So we need to give here x 0, y 0 and z 0. Translation and the rotation both we have to give as a 0 here at the both a and b. So after that we got here, so this is a total deformation what while applying that much of load, so we will get the total deformation. So this is a value in mm. You will see your unit in mm. So you will see here, so undeformed wire frame. So view front. So you will see here, this is a before applying a load, this is a position of this bar or beam. After applying load, this is going to be a deflection of this much. You will see here in this. See here direct stress. So this is a stress in megapascal, minimum combined stress and maximum combined stress.